How do you have a healthy angle or check on your data?
So we have a business analytics group, and that helps. We've employed a business data system, SciSense. That helps, right? Instead of it used to be like you'd go into your ERP, you'd derive a query, it would spit back the report, and we would make all those reports available to our sales team. But I mean, they're report upon report. I think having SciSense and the ability to maybe more concisely share the data has really helped drive a lot of the decisions that we're making around inventory investments and the suppliers that we're working with and how to better support our customers. So I would say if you can invest in some sort of business data management tool, much more helpful than driving queries out of your ERP system.
Yeah.
But and then we all have access to that, right? It's so much easier now taking a look back and saying, all right, well, we had this percentage in power, we had this percentage in connector, this percentage in sensors. So it gives us definitely a better view of our business.
Yeah, that sounds good. And it's also taking it in bites, right? And finding out, let's learn this area and get good at it. And then you can scale.
It is.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.